we are applying. Woo, 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 woo. Hey you all, welcome to another version with your girl, the fashionable Hannah. It's been a while, your girl has been super busy, but I am so sorry. I'm apologizing for everything, but I'm back and I'm here to bring you the sauce. Today we're gonna be reviewing the Kotamu wax warmer kit. I just bought this from Amazon. I've never tried it before. Today we're gonna wax in my legs, so let's review this and see if this wax warmer really works. It says, hey beautiful, please don't start in a hurry, just read this before starting your journey. So stay tuned. Yep. So this is the warmer. It came with some home use hard wax beans. We have the blue, we have the pink, we have like vanilla corn, and we have the light blue. Then these are the stuff to use to place the wax like on your legs, so we're gonna be using this too. Then it came with the cover of the wax, and then this is the wax kit itself inside, and this is the pot, yeah, and this is the warmer. It has on off from 160 to 240 degrees Fahrenheit, and it has this. So yeah, we're gonna be reviewing this, and this is what it says. Ready. Hair should be 1/4 inch long. We should set the wax warmer and allow the beads to melt. So today, well, I'm gonna be using like the pink hard wax beans. This is what I'm gonna use. Then it says test a small amount of melted wax inside your wrist. So we're gonna test it inside your wrist to know how warm it is before trying it on your body, because we don't want our body burnt. Yep. Then we're gonna apply now the wax in the direction of the hair growth. Then we wait for 30 to 45 seconds and allow the wax to harden, and it's ready to remove as long as it's no longer sticky. Then we pull. We hold skin taut and we pull quickly in the opposite direction of the hair growth. So let's start with this. Let's plug this in. I'm going to be plugging this in here. This is the pot. But before that, it says we should pour the beans. So there are different colors of the beans. I forgot to say that. And for like Cars hair, we use like the green and blue. Then for like your armpit, your bikini area, you use like the green and the cream. Then for like your facial hair, you use like the pink and cream. And then for like your large area, you use pink, blue, mostly blue and green. So, but for today, we're gonna be using pink. So try that. And I'm going to pour all of these beans. Let's open this up. And then we're going to pour it into the pot before we turn it on. Ooh. So this is it. They say you're preparing your skin, then melt the wax in the wax warmer until it's a fluid gel. So all of the instructions are here, so hopefully we should be fine with this. And we turn this on. You can see it's on here, and it's advised that we put it like for anything greater than 196 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna put it at 210, and we're gonna be closing this. We're gonna be closing this, and it says that once it's hot, right, it's gonna turn off, and then the temperature is gonna drop to about 149 to 150 degrees. So it says you'll see a light indicator turn from red to off when the desired temperature is used. So now we are waiting for it to be hot. So let's wait and see what happens. So now, as you can see, this turned off, and now I'm just gonna open my pot. Most of my beans are melted, so yep. Let me touch. Yeah, that's hot, so it keeps it warm. So basically, I'm gonna I use the chair so as to be able. I use the chair so you guys can really see as I film. So I take a portion, just wrap it, and I said I tried it in my wrist, so it's still warm, and I'm doing this. Taking it again, and I'm applying. Okay. Taking a considerable amount, and we are applying. Taking a considerable, and don't forget it has to be on for 30 to 45 seconds as we read. Make sure you cover all areas. You guys can see. I hope so. I'm applying it. I applied on my entire leg before. Let's stop it here. Hey baby, you can zoom that. So I put it around my whole leg, as you can see. 30 to 45 seconds, and now we are taking it out. This is where it gets scary. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, can you see the hair? Can you guys see this hair? Whole skin taut, don't forget. Can you see the hair? Like, it's actually really coming out. My hair is in the way. Can you guys see? So you don't need anything. So it's still a little bit wet here. We'll go here. Can you guys see the hair? Like, ooh. Okay. Getting fun. You guys see? Ooh. Hurts a little bit though. I'm telling you. Nothing about beauty comes easy. Ooh. As it gets to the place where the hair has a lot of hair, I'm telling you, like, it hurts. Can you guys see so much hair on my feet? Ooh. It's like a bikini wax. I'm telling you, this shit works. Ooh, hurts. Oh. I hardly have hair here, so you can see nothing really. See, I wonder my leg a little bit. Ooh. Pin. Oh. Oh, you have to be really careful with your skin. But I'm telling you, it's taking out all the hair, like. Ooh. Can you guys see how much hair is coming out? Can you see how much hair? Ooh. Finally. See how much hair is from my feet, like legit. I'm just gonna do this and take off all these other little pieces. As you guys can see, I think I'm almost done. Yeah, pretty much. When I'm always done waxing, I usually use like baby oil on my feet. So as so, you know. So right now, I'm just going to clean up everything and then we use the baby oil. So as you can see, I'm done removing nearly everything, but whenever I wax, I always use baby oil. And this is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula Oil. So I take a little piece and kind of moisturize my legs. Woo! My legs feel better, I'm telling you. Just look at this. Look at this. So this is on wax and this is wax. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. One thing I want to say about the Kotamu wax or the hot wax is not for everybody. Why do I say so? Because if you have sensitive skin, it's gonna pull off your skin. You're gonna have like bruises. It can burn. I'm telling you, if you're so sensitive, especially to hot stuff, it can burn. Reason they say always try it here in your wrist, but still that is no guarantee, because I noticed that when I turned it off, when the red light went off, it's still hot. So yeah, so you guys have to be careful. But a good advantage of this wax warmer is that it kind of like removes all the hair. Like you guys look at all the hair from my leg. Like this is like magic. I've never really waxed my leg and gotten this so much hair out of it. My legs feel great. I love it. Am I gonna use the Kotamu wax warmer again? Definitely yes. I'm gonna try it on my husband. What do you guys think about that? But yeah, this is what I have to say about the wax warmer. Hope you did enjoy my video. It's your girl, the Fashionable Hannah. Stay tuned for more. Just look at this.